Hello guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make big clock on Samsung lock screen. Right, so let me just show you an example of the big clock I'm talking about, so you can see how big my lock screen is looking. So if you want to make something like this, I'm going to show you in a very first step you have to take is you have to go to your Samsung phone settings, and you can see lock screen. You click on lock screen and you click on edit lock screen, and you click on that to open. And just as if you want to change your wallpaper, this is how it's going to look like. All you need to do is, you can see how the size is looking. You tap into that clock and you can either zoom it. You can see it's looking very thick, so you can just decide to make it smaller like this and make it bigger just like this. So this is actually how to just make a very big clock on your lock screen. So you can either change the style as well. I choose this one as the style, or choose something like this and still make it bigger. So just depending on your style you want to use, you can see this one too. You can make this one bigger and this one as well. So it's very easy on how to make a big clock on your lock screen. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get my helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.